halfway tree, St. Andrew, Jamaica. A man disarms a cop, turn around and full him up a shot. A idiot police that. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. I'm Rastafari, so you have beautiful people that can tune into the Rastaman channel. Help me build up the Rastaman panel by subscribing or following on TikTok. A deadly tragic situation unfold halfway through police station, ladies and gentlemen, St. Andrew, Monday evening. They said a man was being escorted from court nearby and grabbed the police weapon and shot another cop before turning the firearm on himself. The dead police has been identified as Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne. A man who pulled the trigger has been identified as Dion Singh. Listen, people, I have never heard anything like this. Owner of Dion Singh Auto in Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew. Singh may also have been shot by at least one of the policeman's colleague. Ministry of National Security, Horace Chang, who rushed to the scene after learning the incident, described it as a tragic and very traumatic situation happening on the compound of the police station. Makes it a very bizarre incident and certainly is traumatic. He was at work. When police officers go on operation, you can wrap your head around the fact that something can happen and the police officers could get shot, but be shot on property while conducting routine activity is very, very traumatic and bizarre. The police deserve all the support and understanding they can have. The officer was a very capable and young police in the criminal investigation branch. A hard-working officer has lost his life, Chan said. Superintendent of Police Stephanie Lindsay, who's head of the corporate communication unit of Jamaica Constable Force, told the media at Halfway Tree Police Station on Monday night that the incident occurred around 5:45 p.m. According to Lindsay, Singh was not handcuffed while being transported from Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Adjoining the station, he was facing the court on numerous charges of fraudulent conversion in relation to the sale of motor vehicles and possible other materials and matters that's left the court earlier. When transporting prisoners, we are usually handcuffing them. Yeah, that's what Superintendent Lindsay said. He was not handcuffed, meaning that there is negligence, and the investigation will probably provide some more information. It is too quick to say if there will be charges to operation. We have to do an investigation, and then based on the finding, we can start making decisions and recommendations. Right now, we just have to relay on why and what will unfold from the investigation other than what we know now, Lindsay told the journalist. He was before the court on some fraudulent matter. Whilst at the court, a fresh report came to the detective, and at the end of the session, he was offered bail. The detective was in the process of continuing that investigation by taking him to his office when the unfortunate incident happened. We just know that he attacked, disarmed, and shot the detective sergeant. There were no other injuries reported. I am not sure if his wife was also charged. That was not part of my briefing, Lindsay added in response to question on from other news reporters whether the wife of Singh may also have been before the court on criminal charges in relation to the fraudulent conversion. The senior police stated that the now deceased Detective Sergeant was in process of escorting Singh from court to his office so as to expand the investigation. Sometime during the journey from the court to his office, he attacked the detective sergeant and tussle ensued. During the tussle, another policeman saw what was happening and intervened. During the process, the businessman pulled the firearm from the officer and immediately opened fire. The detective sergeant was hit and later died. We understand that the businessman then turned the firearm on himself. They were both taken to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. As it relates to the identity of the officer, it is being reported that his name is Sergeant Kevin Mayne. Right now, it's just shocking that you could have prisoners disarming cops in the station and quieting them. Lindsay said colleagues of the policeman were going through a very emotional situation. She described the slain cop as 47-year-old veteran detective who was a hard worker. We never expect anything like this, Lindsay said. The Independent Commission of Investigation, who informed, and we also have Inspector General, who is here. We are now going to have to look at some of the other things to see what the investigation will provide. Adding Lindsay, who she said understand that at least one officer have fired after hearing the explosion. Me can't believe this, people. Me can't believe this. Good policeman. Good policeman, Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne. Because of negligence and because of procedural mishaps. How you can have a criminal? A criminal, it's obvious. He had other run-ins with the law. It's obvious. This guy never want to go jail. He might play a busy signal and I'm head me now go to jail again. But I bet you the halfway tree police station will take criminals serious regardless if you bring him in for fraudulent transaction or for murder. You are going to take precaution. Dion Singh, owner of Dion Singh Auto on Hagley Park Road in St. Andrew, decides that him now go to jail again. So when Detective Sergeant Kevin Mayne taking him back, boy, it is unfortunate because it sounds like they're saying that Singh may also have been shot by a colleague of the police. Sound like him snatch out the JCF tool and somebody else came to intervene and get quang up. Imagine, me not telling no lie, me not hold it back a idiot police that. You can't bring a criminal back to your office and have him handcuffed. Now the penny risk. The reason why you handcuff him is for your safety. And then you are gallivant just because him I guess a business owner. He have money. You get what you forget. I am not wishing nothing. Especially not death for nobody. But I am telling you now, if it was a regular thugs, you would have him in a cuff and handle him with gloves. It's a traumatic and a bizarre situation for real. Because I never hear of nothing like this. A policeman bring back a prisoner, a criminal, to continue investigation. And him just have him handcuff. Handcuff, not handcuff. Handcuff while being transported from Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Course to the adjoined station. Then I saw this youth are desperate. I just fraud them a charge him for. But hey, some of these people, can't take a little embarrassment. We already know that Jamaicans are scammer. So if another Jamaicans get convicted for scam, nobody now really look on it. Because we know if we're not scam, we're not yam. R.I.P. to the Sergeant Kevin Mayne. You know, condolences to the families and friends. But me, I tell you, the police will bring this here clown, Dion Singh, back to the office without cuffing him. Idiot police that, cause from me reading the article here, it sounds like, and not even the clown police get quang. Cause they're saying there at the halfway tree police station, the incident occurred around 5:45 p.m. according to Lindsay Singh was not handcuffed while being transported from the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish adjourned to the station. He was facing the court and numerous charges of fraudulent conversion in relation to sales of motor vehicle and possible other matters, and had left the court. When transporting the prisoner, they are usually handcuffed. He was not handcuffed. An investigation will probably provide some information. It is too quick to say if the charges of operations. We have to do some more investigation, said Lindsay when he was talking to the journalist. He said that he was before the court for some fraudulent matters. Whilst at the court, fresh report came in. Detective then ended the session and he was offered bail. The detective was in process of continuing the investigation by taking him to his office when unfortunately incident happened. We just know that he attacked, disarmed, and shot the detective sergeant. So it appears I see him, detective, where I bring him to him office. Him disarm him and clip him. People, leave your comment and let me know if you ever hear anything like this. A Jamaican cop, at the Halfway Tree police station, is now laying on his back because he did not follow procedure after an investigation of Dion Singh. Of the well-known car auto sales. There on Hagley Park. It seems like this a detective, just because this a boy have some money, him thinks him could deal with him funny. But you don't know, Jamaicans don't ramp nor play. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen, because it seems from the policy, Kevin Mayne swear, you should have the handcuff on him. You see what happened? Him disarm you. And you don't know people, then quang him. R.I.P. Condolences to the people. I don't mean to be so brash, but if he was following procedure, him and the devil would not touch lash. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. R.I.P. to the cop. They say you was a good cop, Kevin Mayne, but it's unfortunate you make one little car salesman buy out your life like nothing.
April TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Cool, Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pops?
Cool,